wa Ngai TV.
Orere bururi uthiete na mbere kurituha ciana gukorwo igikua na gukorwo gugicinwo mathukuru. Kiuria kinene ni giki, hihi ni aciari kana ni kanitha ifilite? No ithue ithenya-ini ya kanitha ni turagwita nigetha tunyitanire mahoya-ini maitu ma mweri tukihoera mathukuru maitu. Igongona riri rigakorwo tariki 3 mweri-ini wa Mugwanja kuria kanitha-ini witu wa Theophilus, tugitongorio ni our Archbishop Dr. John Githiri. Ni ugoka nigetha tunyitanire kuhoera mathukuru na turugamie ikuo cia ciana. Ndukanatire.
Eno ni Murata wa Ngai TV.
Nĩ ngatho ciĩgerete wega thaa mũgwanja cia mĩaraho gũkũ nĩ kwa Murata wa Ngai TV. Njĩtagwo Mũciri wa Mwangi, ndaingĩra thĩinĩ wa ithaa rĩrĩ metha-inĩ itũ ya mohoro ma mĩaraho nĩ mohoro bebere. Imwe cia riboti iria tũkũharĩrĩirie nĩ atĩ thutha wa mũtongoria wa bũrũri gwĩkĩra kĩrore watho wa finance bill mwaka wa 2026, ũmũthĩ wa ira mawoni nĩ mararutirwo nĩ atongoria matiganĩte kuria kaunti ya Machakos. Mũnini wa gavana Francis Mwangangi amĩtetetie makĩria. Mwangangi augĩte bill ĩno nĩ kũherithia a Kenya na njĩra nene, akĩũria mũingĩ gwĩthemana na atongoria arĩa maramĩhĩtũkirie. Riboti ĩno na mwandĩki witũ wa mohoro.
Kwa sababu tumetoka finance bill, kila umaskini inaletwa na hiyo kitu katika taifa hili. Naambiwa mbunge wenu ameingia huko, Mungu amsaidie huko, lakini kuna mtu atafuata yeye huko. Ilikuwa maneno ya finance bill. Si afadhali uende mbunge, uende upige, tujue umetuuza na umetumaliza, kuliko kupotea unaenda kuogelea na huko Mombasa. Hao wambunge wale walipigia hii mswada ya finance bill. Those are people you should never agree with them. They are betrayers of this country. Because unaweka watu kamba uendelee kuwamaliza mahali walifikishwa. I would want to hear one of them, hawa wote ambao walikataa ku save the country wakapotea, badala ya waende waongee kule tuliwatuma, ikakuwa maneno ikakuwa kaumana namna hiyo, ukapotea. Si afadhali ungeenda upige, tujue wewe umepiga yes ama no.
Na tũgĩthiĩ na mbere nĩ atĩrĩrĩ, mathaa maratarwo nĩguo kĩririkano kĩa Gen Z gĩtabanio wa kana. Atongoria a ndini rungu rwa kanitha nĩ mahoete a Kenya arĩa mekwĩyumĩria makarũrũngana na njĩra ya thayũ. Kanjũ ĩno nĩ rũrĩtie kũgĩe na ũbacĩrĩri mĩrũrũngano-inĩ na ndĩkage gũcũngĩrĩria ikuũ makĩria.
Tũtikariganĩrwo atĩ last year mweri o ũcio wa 6 rĩrĩa moimĩrire kũririkana kũrĩ ciana ingĩ na mĩoyo ĩngĩ 16 yorire, na kwoguo tukahoya mwaka uyu na makiririkanaga utuike mwaka wa thayo na muthenya ucio kagia na thayo ni undu wa ithuothe kumenya ati muoyo wi bata na gutire kindu kingi kingicenjanio na muoyo. Kuri police na security officers nao metikire gukaiga thayo nigetha tutingi afford bururi uyu kuona mioyo ingi kiura ni undu wa kuragwo kana gukua ni undu wa rithathi kana maundu ta macio.
Inter-Religious Council of Kenya calls for thorough, impartial and transparent processes of accountability for all those who lost their lives, who are injured or went missing during the demonstrations.
We encourage all stakeholders, government, civil society, the private sector and faith communities to engage constructively on the shared goal of reducing the burden of living that many ordinary Kenyans continue to carry.
We will join other Kenyans of goodwill to stand in solidarity with the victims of the Gen Z protests of 2024 and their families, and in remembrance of those who were killed or are forcefully disappeared.
Na mutongoria wa kiama gia PLP Martha Karua nakomithitie giko kiria kiramuhanikire bururi-ini wa Uganda thutha wa kundurwo na mucii kuria arathiite gutetera wakiri wa Kizza Besigye. Karua aritie akiuga gitaro kia Afrika irathiro kina atongoria maratharana na githuri akiuga ni maragarara ihoto cia umundu.
Ndiete jumuiya kuruta wira uria unjagirire kuajibika kurugamirira wakiritani anyitetwe ni undu wa kurutira Besigye wira na twariere ati anene makou ni mugite matirenda Martha Karua cirani ucu na matirenda wakiri ungi urari mea wa Kampala witagwa Elias Lukwago. Kiumia kithurukithe matiakinyitire Elias na akiburwa muno aracoka aratwarwo igoti-ini. Riu nani maga kigenyo gia kunjigirira ndirakirirwe bau ndikabetuke ni kanyanga na ni mambete license ya gukorwo ndi wakiri Uganda ni undu wa cira ucu kunjokithia nditena gitumi makinyirite Besigye nigu mathima mubinyiririe ni mamucuna mawakiri eri kwina aria matigarite nduyo na mumiyuritwe ni guoya kwoguo gutina haki na wona gugikika ugu Uganda muthweri ugaga ukiona mwenzako ananyolewa umenye niwe unext aratubenia niwe urebenia ni umui niwe ciiko ciake no etana ni undu wa mbio kuma abokathi twitikire tama twige ndui kando turuga aba one term o bandu wathiukerwo ni andu one term na tama itiratwarana wasigania na tama ukamukora acokete na acoka tondaga akorwo na bata nawe akorwo ni woy watunyarira na waturagira ciana na wamina urimi witu na maundu mothe na tamu ya mbere ya keri akimenyaga ndarakubataraga gwika atia Kibaki ndana mwita State House ya mubembesa Kibaki ndana mwarithera-ini kundu okwothe no urugari wa utongoria wake wa gukorire gwaku riko kigea na kindu gia kuruga mwanake thithukuru thibitari gika atia no kiona barabara ciambiriria kuthondekwa.
Na thutha wa ngucanio iria ciire gutabanio mwena wa Kulesoi na mũmbunge Alfred Mutai gwikio ngono rĩu igoti nĩ rĩrikĩte kũmũrekereria na mbũndi ya ciringi 100,000 ũndũ ũyũ ũkĩte thutha wa mũingĩ wa gĩcigo kĩa ũmbunge gĩa Kulesoi kwaraha nja wa igoti magĩtetia kũnyitwo gwake.
That one you can arrange with the, because I'm seeing this. It
has been helpful. Leo nimeweza kupelekwa kotini mahali ambapo tumemaliziwa kwa sasa, na ningependa kushukuru the independence in our courts. Ile vita ambayo ilikuwa justice versus money, and justice has really won. I really appreciate and thank our courts being led also by our very able legal team. Kana 56 walishikwa, tukang'ang'ana wakatolewa 44, wakapaki 12. Mheshimiwa naye anakuja kuambiwa andike statement, alabu anasukumwa anasema lazima alale cell na alichileta. Si ati alitafutwa, alichileta.
The applicant has failed to demonstrate compelling reason to warrant the detention of the respondent for 21 days or at all. The reasons advanced are either unsupported by evidence, speculative, or unrelated to the necessity of detention. In that case, the court makes the following orders in the interest of justice. Number 1, the application dated 23rd June 2026 seeking orders to detain the respondent for 21 days is hereby dismissed. The respondent shall be released on bond of Kenya shillings 100,000 with one surety of similar amount. In the alternative, and without prejudice, he will be released. Respondent shall be released on a cash bail of Kenya shillings 50,000. And in that one, I also add that he also provide us with a contact person who shall also act as a surety, in as much as it's a public figure. The respondent shall report to the investigating officer every Monday, despite his busy schedule as a member of parliament, Wednesday and Friday, or they may agree with the IO until the expiry of the 21 days. That one you can arrange with the, because I'm seeing this.
Leo nimeweza kupelekwa kotini mahali ambapo tumemaliziwa kwa sasa, na ningependa kushukuru the independence in our courts.
Na mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya thama Berio Kipsang naugite thirikari ni ambitie kambeini kugerera atongoria a matura niguo kumenyithia a Kenya bata wa gibande kuri ibande makaria ma 520 ikomete ceceni-ini na a Kenya matigana guciira. Kipsang augite gutire mundu kuma nja wa bururi ahetwo gibande hatari metaratara iria yagiriire.
Be able to make sure these Kenyans who have gone out, given out their biometrics, given out their details, given out all that is required of anybody to get an ID, has done so, but have not collected their IDs. What we are now really doing is sensitization, alien IDs for those who are foreigners and are living in this country. Therefore, they get an ID, but the ID that they get is an alien ID, so that they can be able to participate in activities that they must participate, including getting a telephone, opening an account, and doing those things that he must do. The number of passports that we bring in every other time is quite high. We have just received 750,000 books for purposes of ensuring that any Kenyan who require our documents get without challenge.
Na kumana na ripoti hiyo tutakutukiria hanini ninkushokereria.
Eno ni Murata wa Ngai TV.
Wi mwega mwiroreri wa Murata wa Ngai TV. Nie njitagwo Archbishop John Githire wa makanitha maria ndeithĩtio nĩ Ngai gũkorwo ngĩmarĩithia na ngĩmarora ma Theophilus Church the handũ ya Roma. Ngoragwo kanitha-inĩ witũ wa Theophilus Church Njatha-inĩ. Ũngĩenda kũnyona mũthenya wa Thursday kuma thaa 2 cia rũcinĩ nginya mathaa marĩa Ngai ekũhotithia. Na every Sunday thomaga thĩinĩ wa kanitha-inĩ witũ wa Njatha-inĩ Theophilus Church. Ũngĩũka na ibataro nĩ tũkũhoya hamwe, twĩtĩkie Ngai hamwe na tuiguĩrĩrwo tha hamwe nĩ Ngai ũkatunyitanĩre hamwe nawe ũtungata-inĩ ũrĩa Ngai witũ arekereirie wa mahinda maya tũrĩ. Ngai akũrathime ũkĩnyitanĩra naniĩ thĩinĩ wa Theophilus Church itũra rĩa Njatha-inĩ. Ngai akũrathime na agũtũrie wega-inĩ wake. Bye bye, God bless you.
Hama letu wajeta kwa halo Nyaga Mwai, ndiye chairman wa Referral Bodaboda Sacco. Uma ukwiko na nindero ragira Murata TV. Hama letu wajeta kwa halo Nyaga Mwai, ndiye chairman wa Referral Bodaboda Sacco. Uma ukwiko na nindero ragira Murata TV, Murata wa Ngai TV muno na ikoro rwĩroragĩre tondũ maũndũ maingĩ mega na magagũkenia na magakurehe kĩroho-inĩ.